Hello, WordPress enthusiasts. We're here to take a look at aBlocks. Power up your Gutenberg editor website building experience. Let's dive into this walkthrough. First, we're going to activate our very first aBlocks plugin. It's time to design a page with aBlocks. Here's the aBlocks Ready Blocks list. Let's start with the container block. The container block has many ready-made layouts, and we just pick one of them. Then, we can configure the container block from the right side Advanced Settings panel. We can set the container to full width, boxed, or custom. There are many advanced controls like direction control, alignment control, and gap management. From the Advanced tab, we can set our background color to black. Next, let's add the heading block and some content. From the Unique Style tab, we can customize the heading color, typography, alignment, and much more. Now let's play with the image block. We have lots of advanced controls for the image block. aBlocks gives you the flexibility to customize as you want. We can add alt text, adjust image height, width, aspect ratio, image title, and on hover action. Also, from the Style tab, we can style the image with padding, margin, border radius, and more. With the paragraph block, aBlocks gives you the freedom to customize your content better than basic options. Drop cap, alignment, and size control will help you style your content better than ever. Now let's see how the button blocks work. It has 6 ready-made button types to save time. Nice, right? From the icon option, we can add an icon to the button. Let's customize the style from the Style tab. Okay, let's add another section to our page and use the image blocks again. Great. Let's add the spacer block to easily manage blank space on the page. We're going to design another section. Here we will use the video blocks to embed videos smartly. There are important control options to manage how we display our videos on the page. With the video block, we can embed videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and self-hosted sources. There's also an aspect ratio option. Let's customize with margin and padding. Yes, we did the rest using aBlocks. aBlocks is now ready for beta testing. As a beta tester, you get a lifetime license for aBlocks Pro. All right, it's time to take a look at how we designed our page. Let's see the preview. Yes, we did it. We designed this page with aBlocks. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next update.